Hello friends, and welcome to this new video. Today we are going to see how to make delicious eggplant fritters. We find ourselves immediately with the images of this easy and quick recipe that I recommend you try quickly. We will first start by cutting the two ends of the eggplant. We then peel our eggplant. We will cut slices about a centimeter thick that we put in a colander. Add a pinch of salt and mix gently. Let's prepare the dough. Break the egg into a bowl with a good pinch of salt. Then mix. Add milk, flour, and baking powder. Mix everything well, smoothing the dough. The dough should be very smooth. Pass the eggplant slices generously in the dough. The cooking is done in a hot oil, but not too much, so that the coloring is not too fast. All you have to do is enjoy is hot. You're going to enjoy these eggplant fritters. That is really recommend you to make and test. With that, I wish you good appetite, and I say see you very soon, my friend.